net metering, hindi. Kasi nga nakikinabang sila. Net metering, hybrid. Yan.
So, Are, tingin ka muna.
Ang mangyayari doon, baka may plastic dyan para malagay yung kopya mo. Meron ako na ngayon.
Ani, smile. Ha? Oo. Babantayan ko rin. Isang dali lang naman.
Estimate mo din na, nakasampu na ako.
Nasingit. done with the last four post excavation of the four foundations. We're just gonna have later on install the last four columns. And then for the meantime, backhoe is clearing up, regrading. We're gonna rebury all those rocks, and then we're just gonna have to excavate this part and then backfill this, and then the backhoe is done. Now we can proceed with putting all the beams and columns. I still have to order some 20mm rebars for the second floor or ground floor, second floor columns, and then ordering some more cements, and we have more gravels and sand, and then we go from there. It's gonna be day to day. Now the guys are removing the forms so that Randy, the backhoe operator, can start filling up this area over here, and then he can start excavating this area, because it's gonna be at least 0.5 meters deeper. Then we're gonna have put our stairs here on this side and on the other side. And I guess we're almost complete with the foundations work, and the guys are all working so hard, especially my foreman Rani, running a lot. And these guys are good. They're all young, a couple older guys, but they're all working so hard. It's nice to have workers like that. Used to be our dumping area, now it's clear. We got cited by the office, so I had them remove everything. Right now we're working down here on the deck level. This bottom part is gonna be where the plunge pool is, so we're gonna flatten this. Underneath is where the water tank will be located. We're gonna enclose that with hollow blocks. So today, this afternoon, hopefully we'll be able to erect those last post columns on that side, our side, and that's going to be supporting our master's bedroom, and then the roof, the lower roof, where we're gonna put the solar panels. And on this side, on top of this, is gonna be the ground floor level, and that ground floor will be up to this area, and then followed by the second floor level. So hopefully by unfortunately next week, starting tomorrow, actually it's gonna start raining for a week, and it's a high percentage of rain, so we might be not be able to work next week. But our target still to pour concrete on the slab, working on the slab, and then once the ground slab is done, me and the guys are gonna move in here. We're gonna get rid of the apartments and the barracks. So, and hopefully it's gonna be cooler in here, and hopefully no mosquitoes. So so far everything is well. Cleaning up, and then we're gonna start placing the footing bars, and then later on we're gonna erect the 4 columns. That's gonna be the last 4 columns that will support the master's bedroom and then the lower roof. Tambak pa rin eh. Ikot mo na, Randy.
Ganyan kalayo pare.
Kaya baka tayo mabati, kaya baka Madali lang yun. Pagdating sa kung may biglang nadali ng batong malaki. Wag naman sana.
Eh, yung mga ganyan pare, para maisisingit-singit mo lang.
Ayan nga, ito kasama. Ha? After it's finally almost over. We just have to complete the backfilling over here. We're gonna make some excavation over here. And then we're just gonna regrade. And I guess that's about it for the backhoe. So they can go home. Gonna be the last 3.5 foundations, and then we'll be done with all the foundations. Then we're gonna start. We've been starting with this area, working on the columns, the tie beams, and the beams. And then once excavation is done, we're gonna proceed working with the 3.5 foundations. Unfortunately, starting tomorrow, it's gonna start raining for a week. So we're gonna be a little bit delayed. So hopefully weather will improve. We're starting putting the combined footing down. It's too heavy. Oh, it's before 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm alone here at the site. It's last day of the week. Sweldohan day. So, you guys are not here yet. I decided to come early because I woke up so early. Anyway, our agenda for today is to work on the last 4 columns, four foundations down at the bottom, and then we're gonna start working on the basement deck, and eventually we'll be able to pouring the slabs. So finally yesterday the digging has been completed, so they are planning to take this backhoe out of this place, although there are some leftover works because he could not finish the backfilling because there is no space. But anyway, we just decided to just do it manually right over here. Is actually the entrance of the house, and where I'm standing at right now is the garage, and then the next block is where the dining room is, and then followed by the formal kitchen. So we're getting there. We were able to clear my neighbor because we're using their lot to put all our materials, but now we're able to put all of them over here. So we still have place or enough space for the materials that are coming. So hopefully everything goes well. There is a forecast yesterday or today that it's gonna be raining all week starting today, but when I check the weather, the forecast, I mean, it's not starting until 10 p.m. So I was planning to cancel the work, but thank God it's not gonna be raining this morning. So decided just to complete the day. We're just gonna clear first thing in the morning. We're gonna clear up the trail because there are some rocks that fell down during the excavation. So I told the guys just to prioritize that because we're gonna be sighted. I don't want to get sighted. So anyway, that's it for now. I'll be back later. These are the last 4 columns that we're going to erect later once we put the Aurelia, and then we're gonna start pouring concrete. Hopefully we'll be able to do it today. Still so much work, but it's getting there.